Hello friends, in today's video we will unbox Redmi Note 7 and give you full review of this device. With that being said, hey what's up guys, I am Dhiman back with a new video on Dhiman Kamal channel. Make sure that you have subscribed our channel and without any further ado, let's start it. Okay, so first thing first. At first we get this Redmi Note 7 box with Redmi Note 7 logo on top of it. Some details about this smartphone mentioned on the back of the box. Let's quickly open this box and take a look what's inside. Inside the box we get some user manuals, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 in blue color itself, 2-pin charger of 5V and 2A along with the USB Type-C cable. We get a SIM injector tool and a clear protective case also. Let's take a look at Redmi Note 7. The Redmi Note 7 packs 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with the pixel density of 409 ppi. This mobile comes with the dot-notch display and it features a 2.5D curved glass with the 19:5:9 aspect ratio. It has 51.37% screen to body ratio and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Xiaomi started providing P2i hydrophobic nano coating on Redmi Note devices with the Redmi Note 6 Pro and the same found on the Redmi Note 7 as well as to protect it against accidental liquid spills. Redmi Note 7 packs dual cameras at the back arranged in a vertical array. The primary shooter is a 12 megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture and large size, which is combined with another 2 megapixel secondary depth sensor for portrait shots. It also comes with AI features such as steady handheld night photography. The LED flash can be found below the camera module. On the front, it features a 13 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture, but the selfie flash is omitted in favor of modern display. Talking about the placements, the right side of the mobile have volume and power buttons with tactile feedback. On left, hybrid dual SIM slot can be found that accepts 2 nano SIMs or nano SIM and micro SD card, in addition of 32GB or 64GB storage. Redmi Note series retain 3.5mm headphone jack and IR blaster that can be found on top along with secondary noise cancellation microphone. For the first time, Xiaomi decided to go with the USB Type-C port on Redmi Note series devices that can be found at the bottom along with the grills on both sides. The right side houses a speaker inside and left side houses the primary microphone. On the back, we now get Redmi branding as Redmi is a separate sub-brand in China. Similarly to the previous generations of Redmi Note devices, Redmi Note 7 also packs a 4000 mAh battery built in, but this time it comes with Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 Sport. However, the charger included in the box is not a fast charger. Redmi Note 7 is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor with 3GB or 4GB RAM and it runs on latest Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10.2 on top. By default, PUBG runs on medium graphics and the performance was smooth. It comes with the dual 4G VoLTE support but lacks of Wi-Fi pass-through that disable a user to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. The Redmi Note 7 comes in red, blue and black colors with the price tag of 9,999 for 3GB 32GB storage version and 4GB RAM with the 64GB storage version is costs 11,999. It goes on sale exclusively on Flipkart, mi.com every Wednesday. It also bundled with the protective case. Okay, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be will to hit that like button and the red subscribe button too. Tell me your thoughts about this mobile in comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.